Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And as usual guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research as we await NIO Day and the release of the ES8. Exactly what I said would happen is happening. The whales bought in, especially JP Morgan, and they're all raising the price targets now. This is the way the game is played. NIO Incorporated upgrade to buy, consumer confidence restored, it says. Upgrade from neutral to buy by UBS. UBS, we upgrade NIO from neutral to buy as the company's latest products could further attract consumers after the US $1 billion equity offering strengthened visibility on its healthy operations. So while the illiterate retail investor panicked when they did that equity raise, the whales bought in, and I said they would, and they look at it as something good. Yesterday, another whale bought over 200,000 shares of NIO after market closed, after hours, yet again. It says we expect NIO to hold net cash of RMB 2.1 billion by the end of 2025 and achieve FCF break-even in 2026 with upward consensus revisions to its revenue and bottom line estimates. NIO's valuation discount with its closest peer XPeng should also narrow in our view. We raise our price target from $6.20 on NIO to $8.50 based on a 1.0 times 2026 EPS. Restored consumer confidence, they say. For years, a key drag on NIO sales has been consumers concerned about its steep operating loss as it has cumulatively lost RMB 100 billion over the past decade. But we all know that that loss came from research and development, building factories, etc., etc. After the recent US $1 billion placement strengthening its balance sheet and the company's operating improvement towards non-GAAP QOP break-even in Q4, we think this concern has receded and consumer confidence in the company has been restored based on our conversation with its buyers. In addition, in recently launched L90 and ES8, are competitive products in their category. We foresee some sustained sales momentum over the next few months. And I want to thank Money Making Jeff, aka NIO San Francisco, over there in China for giving me this information. He's heading to NIO Day, so we're going to get on the ground observation from him as soon as he sends it over to me. Investor concerns ease. The contribution of ES8 to sales should not only drive volumes, but also lift ASP and GPM with its RMB 400,000 price. Due to this, NIO's Q4 revenue trend could be 50% higher than that of its closest peer XPeng, mostly from its high product mix, yet NIO's market cap, even counting the recent placement dilution, remains C25% smaller than XPeng's historically. Its deep operating loss was the explanation, so as it approaches QP break-even with higher vehicle GPM than XPeng, and this is what people always seem to pretend not to know or forget. Our margins will be higher because of our high-end product lineup, our battery swapping revenue, our sales from chips, etc., etc. Now they're saying they see this, plus a strengthening balance sheet. This PS discount should narrow in our view. So now they're seeing that our high-end products will bring in higher margins compared to XPeng. Valuation. We raise our revenue forecast by 36% for 2025 to 2026 due to encouraging feedback on new products, feedback from consumers, and restored consumer confidence. NIO is trading at 1.2 times 0.7 times ratio, and it says that they see an upgrade from neutral to buy on NIO. This is UBS. The same UBS that bought 31 million shares not that long ago. So as all the whales jump in, and like I said, a whale jumped in on Friday after market close and bought over 3 million shares. A whale jumped in and bought over 200,000 shares after market yesterday. And I want to thank Money Making Melvin in Florida for sending me those information. And I hope you, my subscribers, if you see anything, feel free to send it to me. This is a family we've built on here. We are all in this together. We're all going to get wealthy together. I hope you guys found this video yet again to be informational, inspirational, and motivational. If so, guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and hype the video. It takes a lot of time to do these videos and the editing. And if you haven't yet subscribed, you might want to think about doing so, because in this channel, we are waking up the middle class for the first time to get a major piece of the pie from the ground level up as to how the games are played on Wall Street. And like 50 said, we get rich or we die trying, guys.